Well, hello there in YouTube land and welcome back to the channel. And today I am taking the Triumph Street Triple R on our way to Chappell Hill, Texas. For those of you who are not familiar, I've had the Street Triple for a few months now, and I've put around 5,000 miles on it. Let's start with the positives. This bike packs a 765 cubic centimeter triple engine that delivers a wide spread of torque and a smooth, broad power band. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or opening it up on a back road, it's got that perfect mix of fun and control. The lightweight design makes it feel incredibly nimble, easy to flick through corners and super responsive to rider input. And when it's time to stop, the Brembo brakes are nothing short of excellent, providing strong, confident stopping power every single time. Now, what really stands out about the Street Triple R is its versatility. It's an awesome all-rounder, great for daily commuting, weekend canyon carving, and even some light touring if you're up for it. I also have to praise its reliability and build quality. This thing is built to last. The service intervals are every 6,000 miles, compared to the 4,000 of my Japanese bikes and Harleys. That is a definite plus. You also get some solid electronics on board, a smooth quick shifter, and multiple riding modes including road, sport, and rain. Of course, no bike is perfect. The ergonomics lean on the sporty side. High foot pegs and a bit of a forward lean might wear you out on long highway trips. I've only had to complain about this once, and that was last week when I was riding for more than 8 hours. My knees were killing me. The quick shifter feels great on upshifts, but not as smooth as Suzuki's. It can be a little clunky when downshifting rapidly through multiple gears, or when you're not giving the bike the beans on upshifts. You might want to use the clutch in those moments. The suspension is firm, which gives you razor-sharp handling, but also means you'll feel those rough patches and potholes a bit more. And for riders looking for every feature, the R model skips the track mode you'll find on the RS, and there's no cruise control. I don't think I ever missed the extra horsepower of the RS model, or the sportiness, or even the nicer dash. One thing that I don't love about this bike is riding it slow. It just doesn't like it. The engine likes to rev, and if you're just trying to cruise, this thing feels out of place. The R model is great because I saved over $2,000. Overall, the Triumph Street Triple R hits that sweet spot between performance and practicality. It's thrilling without being intimidating, agile without feeling twitchy, and delivers pure riding joy on both city streets and twisty roads. If you like to do some hooligan shit sometimes, this bike is for you. One thing I forgot to mention is the tires. It comes equipped with the Continental Conti Road tires. They are pretty terrible. I already upgraded the rear to a Michelin Power 6. What a difference. The front still has some life, so that stayed on for now, but it will be replaced soon too. Well, we made it to Chappell Hill. Let me tell you a little bit of its history.
The birth of Chappell Hill.
Chappell Hill, Texas was born in 1849 thanks to a determined woman named Mary Elizabeth Haller, who bought 100 acres of land and named the town after her grandfather, Robert Wooding Chappell. The town quickly became a booming stop between Houston and Austin, thanks to its famous Stagecoach Inn run by Mary and her family. With fertile soil from the Brazos River Valley, cotton was king, and by the 1850s, Chappell Hill had it all: churches, a railroad, a sawmill, and a growing population that rivaled some of Texas's biggest cities at the time.
War, tragedy, and a new beginning.
When the Civil War broke out, the men of Chappell Hill rode off to battle in some of the most famous Confederate units, while Seoul University became a hospital for the wounded. But tragedy struck hard just 2 years after the war. The yellow fever epidemic of 1867 wiped out much of the town's population, ending its golden age. The town slowly came back to life in the 1870s thanks to a wave of Polish immigrants who brought new traditions, new families, and even built St. Stanislaus Catholic Church, which still stands today as a symbol of that resilient community.
From ghost town to festival haven.
By the 20th century, Chappell Hill reinvented itself once again, this time as one of the most charming small towns in Texas. The Farmers' Bank made headlines in 1933 for standing up to FDR's national banking freeze, and today the town draws visitors for its historic Main Street old homes and beloved celebrations like the Bluebonnet Festival, Scarecrow Festival, and 4th of July Parade. Officially named the Bluebonnet Festival of Texas by the state legislature, Chappell Hill has transformed from a Civil War-era boomtown to a living time capsule, full of history, heart, and a whole lot of Texas pride.
Well, that is it for today's video, guys. Remember, if you like the videos, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share it with all your friends. If you don't like the videos, well, share it with all your enemies. And I'll see you guys on the next one.
thunder roars, the asphalt cracks, steel beast growls, never looks back. Wheels spin fire, shadows dance, riding fast, no second chance. Sky burns red, the night turns black, the triumph screams, no turning back. Texas plains, wide and wild, freedom's a curse, but I still smile. Gasoline veins, heart of steel, this is life, raw and real. Leather grips, the road is mine, every mile I cross the line, stars above, dirt below, faster still, let the thunder grow. Iron horse, tear in the wind, street triple house, let the ride begin. Chappell Hill waits, moonlight's thrill, raging engine, bending the asphalt cracks, steel beast growls, never looks back. Wheels spin fire, shadows dance, riding fast, no second chance. The sky burns red, the night turns black, the triumph screams, no turning back. Iron horse, tearing the wind, street triple house, let the ride begin. Chappell Hill waits, moonlight's thrill, raging engine, bending the wheel. Texas plains, wide and wild, freedom's a curse, but I still smile. Gasoline veins, heart of steel, this is life, raw and real. Leather grips, the road is mine, every mile I cross the line, stars above, dirt below, faster still, let the thunder grow.